The typical Igbo person will not speak your language, will not like to speak your language. We speak his or her own language to you. You must speak his language. And this happens in the marketplace. And Igbos are all over our markets. Most of our people married Igbo women who took time to teach their children Igbo language. They will never teach Ikwerre language. So obviously that child grows up with Igbo language. In my place, there's a story that goes this way, that a man takes his child, his son, to school for registration. The headmaster says, what is the child's name? My child's name is Ovunda. What is Ovunda? The headmaster is an Igbo man. What is Ovunda? That's his name. No, I don't know. I don't understand what is the meaning of Ovunda. Ovunda means the heart of the father. The headmaster quickly put the name as Obinna. Automatically, you can see the movement from Ovunda to Obinna. You can imagine what will be happening in other Ikwerre villages like that, where the Igbo is at the helm of affairs. They are in charge of the churches, they are in charge of the schools. Recall also that during the Eastern region, Igbo was the language that was compulsory mandatory here to be taught in primary school.
At this junction, we must start calling out ignorance and illiteracy for what it is. Ignorance and illiteracy for what it is. There is no more time to be mincing words or trying to sugarcoat it for whatever reason, for being politically or being respectful, while things are degenerating. I mean, how can you tell me that an elder does not know what is a language and dialect? Just look at what this man is blabbing. I call it blabbing. Totally blabbing. I mean, Igbo did not teach your children Ikwerre, that your Ikwerre was not spoken in your schools and stuff. All of us from everywhere we came from in our Igbo all spoke the Igbo Nsugbe, despite having our own different dialects from our different communities. Onye Nsukka pụta ọ ga-abịa were Nsukka sụwa, were Nsukka dewere ya na nga nwere central school. Who does that? Onye even ndị Ọnịcha a na-eji Ọnịcha akụziri ha ihe. A na-eji olu Igbo, Igbo Nsugbe, the Union Igbo, ụdịrị Igbo ahụ a na-enweta na Opobo, ọya Union Igbo, ọya ụdị Igbo. Onye Igbo ọbụla na-asụ on default. Onye Igbo ọbụla ndị na-ama ya na-amụ ya, ha amụta ya. Ihe m ji mara ya asụ wụ gịnị na etoro m n'Aba, and ya ka ya na-asụkwa n'Aba. Ya ka m ji mara ya asụ. Aga m abịawa na skuulu m na-Aba bịa sụwa mbiri. Gaashị mashị gị, gaashị mashị hụ m gị, gaashị mashị gị, shịgị shịrị gaashị shịshịkwu. Ọwụ ihe m ga-abịa sụrụ ha. Onye ọbụla nwere nke. Onye obodo ga-apụta shịma mkpa, ma ihe eje mekpa, ma eje ekpa. No. Onye izi ọ ga-abịa sụwa the same thing. No, we all develop a central Igbo language. Onye ọbụla ga-communicate, onye Anambra ga-asụ, onye nke anyị na-asụ ya wụrụ ya. Everybody speaks it. So oga, you don't know book, you know sabi book. Simple as that. As simple as as simple as that. Ịma akwụkwọ itipọrọ ịbọ ka ewu, ma ọ na-eme ihe wụ language and dialect. Ihe na-asụ dialect. Ikwerre is a dialect of Igbo. Ogba is a dialect of Igbo. Kedu ihe a na-akọ aka na at this age mmadụ ka na brainwash onwe ya. Ozi dị nke brainwash itole, you are not doing research, you are not making any research. Ị na-asụ nwa na-asụ nwa, ana ndị a na-asụ nwa, ndị nke na-asụ nwa, ndị nke na-asụ nke, ndị nke na-asụ ụmụntị. Enwe ndị na-akpọ nwa ụmụntị. Gị nọ n'ọkụtụkwa na-edeceive onwe gị, achọ generation ị na-condemn. You are looking for generation that you condemn with ignorance and illiteracy. Your education baka. Sorry to tell you that, but I have the right to tell you that. You will stop confusing people. Stop telling people nonsense. Stop confusing yourself. Stop confusing your generation. Tell them the truth once and for all. Tell them the truth. What is all this? Dialect. What you are speaking is dialect. For crying out loud. What you are speaking is a dialect of Igbo. Walk around, but at your age, you never learn to travel. You never travel. But God in Ali Igbo in a coiri. God in Ali Igbo in a man in on a Sophia. And I said again, Get out from here. What is all this? What is all this? And I call at this age, 2025, how can I call nonsense? When people are coming together, when people are doing things to better their lives, you can not confuse them with the day. They were okay now go fe. Okay now go fe. Oh here, you now go fe. Should I poor?